It's high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It can help prevent hay fever, increase your energy levels, and relieve the pain of arthritis. And if you don't handle it with care, it will bite. Today we'll be talking about the amazing stinging nettle. While stinging nettle is native to Africa and Asia, it now grows in Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and has made its way to some islands in the South Pacific. It hasn't been found on Antarctica yet, but give it time. This nutrient-dense plant is a great source of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytonutrients. Because the root grows down deep into the soil, it is able to pull up minerals that are missing from much of our food grown in over-farmed, nutrient-depleted soil. This weed should be included in your diet for this reason alone, but stinging nettle demands respect, and if you don't heed its demands, it will bite. It comes by the name stinging, honestly. The leaves and stems are covered with tiny hairs that release irritating chemicals when they come into contact with your skin. So you will want to use a pair of gloves when handling stinging nettle. Unless you don't. The chemicals that can cause the painful sting that lasts from a few minutes to a few days if you're very sensitive can also help relieve pain due to arthritis and muscle strain. It is thought that the chemicals in nettle decrease the inflammatory substances in your body that cause pain. So if you're a brave soul and have knee pain due to arthritis, you may want to rub raw stinging nettle on your knee. Let me know how that works for you because I haven't been that brave yet. While some people are only annoyed by the sting of nettles, others may break out in a rash, or those who are really allergic to it may have life-threatening reactions. Be careful until you know how you will react. If you do get it on your skin accidentally, do not touch it. This will make the stinging worse. Run cool water over the area for a few minutes, then wash with a mild soap. You can also try pouring apple cider vinegar over the area to help neutralize the sting. Fortunately, the hairs that contain the stinging chemicals are inactivated by hot water and dehydration. So blanching the nettles for 2 to 5 minutes before serving it for supper will provide you with a nutritious and painless side dish. Medicinally, stinging nettle strong infusion has been used as a natural detox, to reduce seasonal allergies, to support bone, teeth, hair, and nail health, to relieve muscle cramping and menstrual cramping, decrease hot flashes during menopause, and to help normalize blood sugar for those with type 2 diabetes. And its diuretic effects can help flush your kidneys if you have a urinary tract infection or a kidney stone. Can you see why it may be beneficial to keep that grouchy plant on hand? The plant is a perennial, so once you get it growing, it will come back year after year. In fact, it may be hard to get rid of, so plant it in a pot or it may spread to places you don't want it. This is probably not a plant you want to keep on your patio. It's just not friendly, so keep it in the back corner of your garden. Apart from the sting, nettle can be identified by its square stem, which is either green or purple. The serrated, lance-shaped leaves grow opposite of each other on the stem, and all upper parts of the plant are covered with those tiny hairs mentioned before. It likes full to partial sun and damp, but not soggy soil. And you should keep it trimmed or it may grow up to 6 foot tall. After carefully trimming, while wearing long sleeves and gloves, you can dehydrate the leaves to keep on hand for making infusions, or you can blanch it and have it for supper like spinach. Or you can add it to soup, stews, or stir fries. Both dehydrating and blanching remove the sting and make it safe for use. To make a strong infusion to use as medicine or a mineral supplement, put 1 ounce of dried stinging nettle in a quart jar and cover with 1 quart of just boiled water. Allow this to set for at least 6 hours to extract all the nutrients into the water. While a nice cup of nettle tea is beneficial, it takes a long time to extract the minerals from the plant material, so you may want to make this at night before you go to bed. In the morning, strain the liquid, add some ice, and drink this quart over the day to get the most health benefits from the plant. If you are using stinging nettle to prevent seasonal allergy symptoms, you need to drink a quart of the strong infusion every day, starting at least a month, and 2 months is better, before hay fever season starts in your area. Continue throughout allergy season to help prevent the symptoms from occurring. You don't have to drink it all in one setting, but you do need to drink the entire quart each day. You can add chopped mint or grated ginger at the beginning of the process to make a better tasting beverage. You can also make a tincture of stinging nettle by pouring 200 ml of 190 proof grain alcohol over 100 gram of freshly chopped stinging nettle. Stir this well, then keep in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. Shake the tincture daily while you're waiting for the alcohol to extract the minerals. A tincture from the dried leaf can be made using 50 grams of dried leaf and 250 ml of 80 proof or higher alcohol. Again, stir it well and keep it in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking daily. After 6 weeks, strain the solids off and throw them into your compost pile. Label the tincture and you can take 1/2 to 1 teaspoonful up to 3 times daily. If you found this information helpful but want more information on natural ways to keep yourself healthy, click here. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the health benefits of stinging nettle. Stay healthy, don't forget your gloves, and have a blessed week.